Imagine if we could tap into hidden resources within ourselves to unlock true health and well-being. What if the key to healing wasn't just in medicine, but also within our own nature? In today's episode, we explore how ancient wisdom, combined with modern science, reveals a profound approach to healing, longevity, and personal evolution. Stay tuned as we dive deep into the incredible potential of the human body, mind, and spirit. Our journey begins with a concept that's been around since the times of the ancient Greeks. They believed that human health is supported by 7 natural resources: water, air, earth, plants, animals, minerals, and the forces of nature. These elements surround us, constantly influencing our well-being. Imagine each of us as having a unique connection to a tree, a plant, or an animal, an instinctual bond that provides balance and healing. This is the essence of nature's role in our health. However, humans have developed something called the second signal system, language. Unlike animals, who rely on instinct to find healing plants or rest in nature, humans use language and thought to influence their health. It's a step beyond reflexes, where our consciousness begins to shape our physical state. In this sense, the power of words becomes essential. When we understand that thought and speech are intertwined with our biology, we begin to see health in a new light. But it's not just about words. It's about the potential we're born with. From the moment we enter the world, we inherit a unique potential for growth and adaptation. The body, being a biological system, is constantly adjusting to its environment. Those who adapt survive, and those who thrive are the ones who evolve. Let's talk about longevity. How can we live longer, healthier lives? The human body is a complex system of interconnected parts. When these parts work together, we experience good health. When they don't, illness creeps in. The concept of lifespan is not just about genetics or chance. It's about how we manage and harness the resources available to us. Understanding these resources means understanding how to unlock our body's potential for repair and renewal. Take, for example, the cell cycle. Every cell in the body goes through processes of division, growth, and eventually programmed death, a process called apoptosis. This system ensures that the old and damaged cells are removed, making way for new ones. It's like a constant cycle of rebirth within the body. But as we age, this cycle can slow down. Cells become less efficient, and inflammation often causes more harm than good. Chronic inflammation is one of the primary reasons we age, and managing it is key to staying youthful. Interestingly, stem cells play a huge role in this process. Even in extreme conditions like radiation exposure, the body can survive and repair itself as long as stem cells remain intact. Stem cells have the remarkable ability to regenerate and repair tissue, which is why they're a central focus in medical research. It turns out that the body has an amazing capacity to heal itself if given the right tools. But what about diseases like cancer, where cells stop following the normal rules? Cancer cells become immortal because they don't die when they're supposed to. Instead, they keep dividing and growing uncontrollably. This breakdown in cellular regulation is what leads to tumors. The fascinating part is that some individuals, even with advanced cancer, can experience what's known as tumor regression. In simple terms, their tumors shrink and disappear, a process scientists are still working to understand. This brings us to a critical question. Can we harness our internal resources to fight diseases, even cancer? The answer is complex, but there's evidence that it's possible. Through mechanisms that regulate immune response and cell behavior, we might be able to turn the tide on diseases. It's about understanding the biochemistry of the body, but also the higher-level processes that govern how the body organizes itself. The key to long-term health and wellness is not just physical. It's about mental and emotional balance too. Our thoughts and emotions directly impact our physical health. The spine, for example, isn't just a support structure. It's a pathway for the nervous system, and its health is deeply tied to our mental state. Emotional blocks can manifest as physical tension in the body, leading to pain or illness. Through techniques that focus on emotional release and mental clarity, we can alleviate these blocks and restore balance. But here's where it gets even more intriguing. As we train our bodies, we also train our minds. When we understand how to regulate our emotions and thoughts, we unlock the potential to heal, adapt, and evolve. This process is not just about physical health. It's about harmonizing the body, mind, and spirit. The more we understand our inner resources, the more we can manage them, and the greater our potential for personal transformation. So, how do we live longer, healthier, and more fulfilled lives? The answer lies in understanding and harnessing the natural resources within us. From the food we eat to the way we manage stress, from the thoughts we think to the way we move our bodies, all of these elements play a role in our overall health. But the real secret lies in the integration of mind, body, and spirit. If we can master this balance, we can tap into the incredible potential of the human body, not just to survive, but to thrive. If you found this exploration of human potential intriguing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Let's continue the conversation about how we can unlock the full potential of our health, happiness, and life.